fellow vendors. In today's video, we are going to be doing a 9-machine collection for the end of month for February. I'll go ahead and give you guys the rundown on how much each machine made for this particular collection, as well as the total for the month. Hope everyone's having a good Monday. Nice little quarter waterfall out of my retirement soda machine. These are all 2-week collections, and so they didn't do too bad for 2 weeks. Machine did $133.75 for the week, $298.75 for the month. Cannot complain. That is a total between cash and credit cards. Here in a couple of weeks, I'm going to Vegas. I'm going to hang out with the MBVA with all of my other YouTube buddies, Galaxy Games 843, Howard Hospitality Group, Xtreme Vending, Quik Play, all the goodies. Got my snack machine restocked. We're going to go ahead and get onto the collection here. I always leave a quarter in the bucket for good luck. Nice stack there. Did $121.75 for the week, $320.25 for the month of February. Did a nice little fan out going there. I hope your guys' businesses are doing well. I know it is the slow time of the year. Get that closed up. We'll head on to the hotel. This is my combo machine I have at a hotel. Got it restocked. Get the soda side locked up, and then we're going to go ahead and get to the collection. Get you perked up here. It's got a little bit of change for this week. Had a nice little silver waterfall there. On to the cash. Had a really nice stack. It did $170.75 for the 2-week period, $267.25 for the month. A lot of 5s in there. Get that closed up. Head downstairs to take care of the other 2 machines. Nice stack of change in there. Get a nice little coin waterfall going for you. If you guys are looking to add credit card readers to your machines, I have a deal with Cantaloupe for their ePort Engage series. For your vending machines, you get $30 off if you use code 720vending at checkout. This machine did $61 for the week, $126.25 for the month. This is one of my few machines I have left that does not have a card reader at this time. I will be buying one of the Engage readers for this machine once I get the new board installed. On to the soda machine right behind it. This one has the Engage combo card reader on it, as well as an in-one board. Nice little stack of change. Machine did $57.25 for the week, $124.25 for the month. The hotel had a slow month go with it. It happens. On to the mobile home parks. Here we go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell notification to be notified when I drop new videos. All the support definitely helps. change out. Quite a bit of change here. Look for my lucky red quarter I keep in the machine. There we go. Onto the cash. Nice old stack. It did $127.50 for the 2-week period, $254 flat for the month. On to my other machine. This one got delayed by a day due to the lock that I had to drill out and replace. Thank you, idiots who break into machines, or at least attempted to in this case. Leave a quarter behind. Machine did $37.25 for the week, $103.75 for the month. I know, not very good, but it is the slow season. There was still a couple of fivers in there. I will take those. I have all of my machines set up to take 1s, 5s, and $2 bills. I only have a couple of machines left that still only take single dollar bills. Back to my other machine. Sorry, it's dark. It was light burned out outside the machine. So they will get that taken care of. Get you squared away here. Lots of coins. No complaints. Leave the lucky quarter behind. Machine did $70 for the 2-week period, $143.50 for the month. I did have to replace the control board during this month. It did malfunction and was giving away sodas a lot cheaper than it should have. Up finally is my mailroom location at the trailer park. Get y'all squared away there. Nice pile of change. Get the lucky green quarter put back in the bucket. Onto the cash. Did $106.25 for the week. For the month, it did $163.75. For all my machines combined for the month, I did $4,025.50. That also includes my claw machines. So that is not a bad month. I didn't do bad for the month. For more vending related content, like and subscribe. Have a great day.